First, set the Medley XL to 390 degrees. While preheating, brush olive oil on one side of each bread slice. After preheating, place the bread into the Medley XL, oiled side down, and top with cheese. Cover with the lid and toast until the cheese melts and the bread is golden and crispy. Combine the slices into a sandwich and flip to toast the other side until golden. The grilled cheese is ready to serve. First, set the Medley XL to 300 degrees. While preheating, whisk together the eggs, sugar, milk, cinnamon, and nutmeg in a large bowl until well combined. Layer the bread slices in a shallow baking pan and pour the egg mixture over the top. Let the bread sit for 2 to 3 minutes until absorbed. Then flip to coat the opposite side. Next, add the butter to the Medley XL until melted. Add the soaked bread slices to the Medley XL and cook until golden and crisp on the bottom. Flip and cook until browned on the opposite side. To finish, plate the toast, add butter and syrup, and garnish with herbs. The French toast is ready to serve.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.